Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two dash cams against each other to see which one comes out on top. On the left, we have the OMBAR dash cam, and on the right, we have the FOCUWAY dash cam front-rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Let the battle begin. Alright, let's start with the most important aspect of any dashcam: video quality. The OMBAR dashcam boasts a front camera that can record in UHD 4K resolution, while the rear camera records in FHD 1080p. That's some serious clarity. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dashcam also offers 4K resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera. It's a tie in terms of video quality. Both cameras will capture those license plates and road signs with ease. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The OMBAR dash cam uses super night vision technology, which combines a powerful chipset and sensor to give you clear footage in low light conditions. The FOCUWAY dash cam, on the other hand, features an advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor and a large aperture lens for excellent visibility at night. It's a tough call, but we have to give a slight edge to the FOCUWAY dash cam for its impressive night vision capabilities. Moving on to connectivity, both dash cams offer built-in Wi-Fi. The OMBAR dash cam has dual-band Wi-Fi, which means faster transfer speeds. However, it's important to note that the Wi-Fi range is limited to about 25 feet. The FOCUWAY dash cam, on the other hand, boasts 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is faster and more efficient than traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Plus, it comes with a free app that allows you to easily preview, download, and share your videos. The FOCUWAY dash cam takes the lead in terms of connectivity. Now let's talk about some additional features that set these dash cams apart. The OMBAR dash cam comes with a reliable G sensor that automatically detects collisions and locks the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It also has a 24-hour parking mode, but you'll need to purchase a separate hardwire kit for that. On the other hand, the FOCUWAY dash cam offers two parking modes: collision detection mode and time-lapse recording mode, which operates with low power consumption. The FOCUWAY dash cam takes the win in terms of additional features. After a fierce battle, we have a winner. The FOCUWAY dash cam front-rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi takes the crown with its impressive night vision, superior connectivity, and a range of additional features. And there you have it, folks. After a fierce battle, we have a winner. The FOCUWAY dash cam front-rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi takes the crown with its impressive night vision, superior connectivity, and a range of additional features. But hey, both of these dash cams are great options and will definitely keep you covered on the road. Remember to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these fantastic products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and reviews that will help you buy smart. See you next time!